Good morning, Cyprus. Good morning, good afternoon, and hello, my dear Cho. Good morning to you. Today is raining. We've been to Shen Market. Right, it's very cloudy outside, and luckily we came back without rain. But now outside is so strong, and I also have thunder, lightning, and the thunder. So I will do live later, probably after lunch, because it's too strong, and we're afraid that something will be, destroyed my internet. So we decided to put on this Christmas tree. The pride, the love of Culver Genetics team. Morning to you, Happy Jo. Kain ka na dyan. Good morning, Culverian. Good morning, all the teams. Our Christmas tree. We have so many stuff to put on, but me and Jo will do it slowly, because it's a very strong rain outside. Okay. We also have Christmas lights. We will make here instead of there, because it's bad ones here, so we can open Christmas light anytime we want. Thank you guys for watching. See you later in the afternoon after lunch. Morning. Bye bye. Guys, it's very raining outside. See, and very strong thunder and lightning. So I will do live this afternoon after lunch. Ay, just go. So strong. I'm so scared. You can see. Good. Scary. Really scary even to open the window. And we'll do live later this afternoon, probably after lunch. Thank you for watching, guys. So instead we're going to make our Christmas tree, because we have nothing to do. Strong outside. Let's see. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye. Ay, aragoy may lightning na naman.